Assalamualaikum. Panibagong araw, panibagong recipe, panibagong kwent. We often think that luck comes suddenly. A quick rise, an unexpected chance, parang biglang dumating lang. But real luck is quieter than that. Hindi lang siya basta swerte. Behind every lucky moment, there is gentle preparation. There is unseen discipline. There are silent days of waiting and soft nights filled with dew. Minsan ang hirap maghintay. Minsan ginawa mo na ang lahat, yet nothing seems to move. Feeling mo, naiiwan ka na ng mundo. Pero sa totoo lang, Allah is still at work in the silence. Hinuhubog ang kakayahan mo. Pinapalakas ang loob mo. So when the window of opportunity finally opens, handa ka na, hindi ka lang basta nandoon. Kayang-kaya mo nang dalhin. When preparation meets opportunity, people call it luck. Pero sa puso mo, alam mo ang totoo. It was faith. It was patience. It was quiet effort. And an unshakable trust in Allah. Just like our dish today, butter shrimp. Mabilis siyang lutuin, yes. Simple lang ang mga sangkap. Pero kahit mabilis, hindi ito minamadali. Kailangang bantayan ang apoy. Kailangang lasapin ang pagtunaw ng butter. Kapag tama ang init, kapag saktong-sakto ang oras ng paglagay ng hipon, everything comes together into something gold. Ganyan din ang buhay na. Blessings arrive gently. At the right time, not when we want them, but when our hearts are ready to hold them. Alhamdulillah, for every process, every pause, every lucky moment that was actually written by Allah all along. Trust the heat. Trust the timing. Hanggang sa susunod na recipe at kwento.